and welcome to ET Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo, and today's video is a follow-up video to the full roller rockers and the injector swap that I did. I didn't go into like full detail of the swap. If you didn't see the last video, I'll leave a link up there. But anyway, some of my footage just didn't come out right. For some reason, it came out like sideways, like it was in cell phone mode, and I left that part out. Some of the detail of why I did the swap. So I'll take you guys down in the basement and we'll go over that, and then after that I'm going to take this car out, do some more data log. I already burnt a new chip. I had to make adjustments to the fueling for the new injectors, and I need to do a follow-up data log and probably make some more changes. But it's running really well. I'm real happy with it, and I'm going to take you down the basement, like I said, get more into detail why I did it, and then I'm going to go out and get this thing warmed up, do some data logging, and show you how loud it sounds with the full roller rockers, which is, truth is, not much louder. So let's get down the basement. All right, here I am down in the basement, and I'm going to show you the reasons why I went and did an injector swap, and reasons I went and did a roller rockers, went to full roller rockers. Anyway, the only way I can show you is that I noticed that it kept running richer and richer at lower RPMs, like 1600 RPM down to idle, and I had to take fueling away in the tune to make up for it, and I had to keep taking fueling away, and I couldn't find anything wrong with the pressure regulator. So I decided to pull all the plugs, and it's hard to get a good reading this way, because you really, to get a proper plug reading, you need to, go like wide open throttle and then cut it, and then cut the motor off and pull over to the side and take the plugs out. That, of course, you know how practical that is. But hopefully you can see the difference in plug readings here. This one's lean. Some of these are a little on the rich side. This one here is like another color. There's a lot of different variations in the plug readings, and that's the reason I decided to do an injector swap. That and these injectors, like I said, have about, the motor has about 46,000, and these probably had about easy 20,000 on them from when I had them in my old motor. Like I said, these are Trick Flow 24-pound ones. These are good injectors. They're Lucas style, and I replaced them with the eBay 4-hole, these eBay rebuilt ones for 4-hole Bosch injectors. They're supposed to be a finer mist. They're in the car. They seem to be working good. I need to adjust the tune some more. I already burnt a new chip. I need to go back out there and take the car for a ride and do some more data logging. But anyway, getting back to the rocker arms. Let's see if I can find a good example here. I had one a few minutes ago where it showed just how, see, I guess this is a good example. And you can see the discoloration here, and that's from heat buildup from these balls in here. Let me see if I can get that out. Get that cleaned up. But I ain't concerned about this amount of heat buildup. That's just the oil getting hot and burnt on there. I do use a good grade synthetic. I use AMSOIL. But you can see the wear on here, and that's normal. If this was blue, if this was turning blue and blue, that means this thing would have been burnt up real bad and probably would have failed. But for 46,000 miles that I have on these rockers, they're actually in really good shape. There's absolutely no play in the wheel on the end, so there's no play there, and it's worn. It's good, what you would expect. And the same with the ball, in my opinion. That's not bad at all either. I'm quite satisfied with these, but you can see the amount of friction and heat that built up there. So going to the full roller rocker, so it removes all that friction. It's going to reduce heat in the oil and free up horsepower and better fuel mileage. Anyway, I did put all new plugs in. This time I went with the AC Delco rapid fire ones, and I didn't get a shot of the inside of the valve covers when I removed these little tabs, the drip tabs. Basically what I did was I took the Dremel motor tool, the cutoff tool, just cut in about halfway, and I took a hammer and just gave it a little tap, and they snap right off. Did have to clean the valve covers real good after that in order to make sure I got all the shavings out from, you know, the cutting process. Here's really grinding when you use a cutoff wheel like that. Anyway, I'll go out in the car. I'll go take that for a drive, do some more data logging, get the engine warmed up. I'll pop the hood, and I'll show you how much louder it is. It's really not that much louder, the valve train, in my opinion, than the stock ones. So I'll go out there and show you that. Okay, I've been just driving around, doing some data logging, and I don't know if you can hear the motor real good, but we got more back. I don't know if you heard that real good, but at idle you hear a little bit more sewing machine sound, but it doesn't seem to be affecting my knock counts. I don't know until I get back and look at the data log. And I definitely need to make more changes to the fueling. I need to get this, I need to add more fueling in the lower RPM range. And then at wide open throttle, it's going like 12 to 1, which is rich. The last injectors, I had to tune them. It's about 12.9, 13 to 1. So it's way too rich under wide open throttle. Lower RPMs, it's way too lean. Got to go in the tune, adjust all that. Other than that, it revs up a lot quicker. It seems like the car accelerates quicker. And it feels like it wants to run more. So it does feel like that might just be a seat of the pants type thing. And might not be, who knows, but unless I did it like a dyno side-by-side comparison, there's no way to really tell. But I am happy with the way it's running better. I do need to make some more adjustments to the tune. Hope this was helpful. It's a nice day. I'm going to get a little driving in and then head home and go with the tune and burn a new chip and all that good stuff. But I hope everybody has a great day, and God bless.